SM North. Diba? Antipolo to SM North. Layo!
Nagpasya sila ng pag-cover ng WPP. Sabi na magpalagay based on the law, kailangan sila mag-process. So nagpasya sila. Hi guys, so katapos ko na mag-game, we won. Score 7-2. Sorry po. Study with me for midterms. Tapos na kami sa maternal like and lab. So for next week, ang exam na lang is CHN like and lab. Tapos, pharma. So, yung pharma is medyo mahaba. Nag-send na si sir ng ng mga need i-review. So, dun muna tayo mag-i-start. Ang nervous system is neuron. Then, ang basic function naman ng neuron is impulse transmission. Impulse transmission. So, yung impulse transmission, nag-occur siya through electrical and chemical processes. So, yung electrical transmission, nag-happen siya via action potentials. Tapos sa chemicals naman, chemical transmission, neurotransmitters. So, sa central nervous system, andito yung brain and spinal cord. Yun yung vital, pinaka-vital sa nervous system. Tapos, pag CNS, siya yung nagpo-protect siya yung may protect. Hi guys, so come with me to play tennis again. Sa Cainta naman. So, today is Sunday. And nakapag-review na ako kanina for our exam tomorrow. Tapos, guys, may pusa. Bye! Playing uwi na ako. Yo, kapagod guys, naka-isang game lang ako pero magagaling kasi yung players, so it's hard to play with them. Yo. Mm. Good morning guys. So, exam namin ngayon sa HN lang. For me, kasi yung ibang classmates na yun. Minor subject sila. It's raining guys. Pero mahina, pero kanina malakas. Kulang 1 hour. Ihilang. After exam guys, nasa palengke tayo. Bila ng gulay. Kasi wala na akong stock sa bahay. Impulses. Palliative treatment naman, ito yung control ng signs and symptoms ng isang disease. So, Parkinson's disease, degenerative disease siya. Tapos, lack siya ng neurotransmitter called dopamine. Pag schizophrenia naman, psychotic disorder, impairment function of an individual. So, seizure, alam mo naman to, impulse transmission of the brain. Pag synaptic transmission. Good morning everyone. So, last day ng exam namin ngayon. CHN Lab and Pharma. So, Pharma guys. Ang hirap ng Pharma. Super haba talaga. Gabi yung review ko. And late ako nagising. So, come with me and update ko kayo later. kahapon pa to eh. Oo. Magay kayo sa vlog ko. Ano? Hi guys, so birthday ng lola ko. And pupunta tayo yung kikikain. Baby. Hi ka. Sama kita sa vlog. Mag-online class kami guys. Dito sa Coffee Babe. Yum, yum, yum. Hi guys. So, nagpa-Wheel of Fortune. Wheel of Fortune ba yun? Si Sir Kevin. Accepted ako sa exam. Ano masasabi mo? Congrats. May class din siya. Current friend ko pala. Hindi kasambahay niya lang ako. Masayista daw. Joke lang, nursing din siya guys. Sa? Secret. Secret. Basta kulay blue daw school. Window shopping! Libre niya daw ako. Ay hindi, wala tayong pera ngayon. Nakita niyo yung friend niya guys. Ito lang. Ang ganda nun.
Ito maganda.
Maganda din.
May nakita tayo doon.
Ano yun? Ano yun?
Yung jacket.
Ang awkward pala mag-vlog, di ba? Saan tayo? Akyat daw kami guys. Sabi nung guard kanina. Kasi naghanap ako na...
Ayaw niyo maniwala sa akin. Nakala ko din. Naghanap siya ng
grip for my tennis racket. Kasi guys, nagpapaltos na yung kamay ko. Ito pala. Yan o. Namagayan nung nakaraan. So, pupunta kami sa taas. Ano ko akyat?
Diretso lang. Basta may council. Kapit tayo.
Okay. Mag-vlog kaya tayo sa TikTok.
Gusto mo?
Di ba kumikita na yung mga vlogger?
Total araw-araw naman tayo nagkikita. Tapos parang araw-araw tayo may pera. Why not, di ba?
Di ba? Yes. Ano yan?
Capybara. May brito.
Saan tayo pupunta?
Toby's Park.
Ikaw. Hapon. Ayan, World of Fun. Ito. Pagod ka? Hi guys, so I have online class ngayon.
Saan ka?
Dapat may case presentation kami sa school, pero ginawa ko
Violata?
online class ngayon. Then,
Present.
sa
Open your camera.
Saturday ata, yung case presentation. So,
Bruce.
yeah.
Tamri. Camera please. Si Peda. Kim. Asan po?
So, ayun guys. Before ko i-end tong vlog na to, gusto ko lang i-reflect lahat ng nangyari this exam week. So, for those who don't know, transfer ako from the University of Baguio and I was also a student athlete doon. Kaya siguro hanggang ngayon, dala ko pa rin yung discipline, yung pagiging sporty, outgoing at very active physically and socially. And honestly, malaking tulong talaga nun this exam week. Kahit sobrang stressful, I still try to balance everything. And may time ako for studying, may konting time to move, to breathe, to be with people, and to take care of myself. So as a student, ang dami kong na-realize, hindi pala sapat na magbasa lang o mag-review ng dire-diretso. Importante rin pala na alam mo kung paano matuto, paano ka mag-adapt, at paano mo ginagamit yung tools na meron ka. And speaking of tools, grabe talaga yung role ng science and technology sa buhay nating students ngayon. So from online reviewers, digital notes, Google Docs, YouTube lectures, group chats, AI tools, lahat yan naging parte ng study routine ko this week. So parang bawat aspect ng pag-aaral ko, may katulong yung technology. Pero syempre, hindi ibig sabihin nun na madali na. Kasi minsan, technology can distract us din. So, social media, notifications, pag-scroll sa TikTok, panonood ng K-drama, and pa. So, kailangan ng self-discipline, which I think nakuha ko rin from being an athlete. Yung tipong kahit pagod ka na, push pa rin. Kahit gusto mong mag-procrastinate, you try to stay on track. And of course, hindi mawawala yung mental health. Kasi this week, reminded me na hindi lang grades ang measure ng pagiging good student. May days talaga na drain ka, may days na hindi ka productive, may days na parang gusto mo na lang magpahinga. And that's okay. Ang importante is you know how to cope. So, minsan, I took breaks, minsan, I did light workouts, or lumalabas sandali, or nag-usap ako with friends, or nagtitennis. And those small things, sila yung reason kaya kinaya ko yung buong week. So, technology helped me organize my schedule, per human connection helped me survive mentally, and sports helped me stay grounded. So, after everything, and biggest realization ko is, life as a student is all about balance. Balance sa academics, balance sa physical health, balance sa mental health, balance sa paggamit ng technology. And kahit nagbago na environment ko, kahit transfer ako, iba na routine ko compared sa dati kong athlete life. Lahat ng experiences ko helped me shape who I am now. So as sporty, outgoing, and adaptive student na patuloy nag-learn sa mundo ng puno ng science, technology, challenges, and growth. And honestly, I'm proud of myself. And I hope proud din kayo sa sarili nyo for surviving this exam week. So ayun, thank you sa pagsama sa akin sa journey na to. Sana may napulot kayong insight, motivation, and kahit konting comfort man lang. So good luck, future nurses, alagaan ang sarili, and remember, progress doesn't have to be perfect. So that's it for today. Thank you guys. See you on the next vlog.